Hello friends, today we will learn food vocabulary. Let's learn. This is muffin. Muffin. This is an ice cream. Ice cream. Fruit salad. This is fruit salad. Juice. This is juice. Pizza. This is pizza. Sandwich. This is sandwich. Hot dog. This is hot dog. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Butter. This is butter. Bread. This is bread. Donut. These are donuts. Jam. This is jam bottle. Rusk. These are rusk. Cheese. This is slice of cheese. Fries. These are fries. Ketchup. This is ketchup bottle. Mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise bottle. Popcorns. These are popcorns. Snacks. These are snacks. I hope you friends have learned with me. For more videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.